Welcome back. In this lesson, we'll dive into segmentation and dynamic content, two powerful personalization strategies. Let's start with segmentation. This means dividing your email list into subgroups based on criteria like demographics, purchase history, or user behavior. Why do we segment? Because tailored campaigns lead to higher open rates, better click-throughs, and ultimately, more conversions. Let's explore some segmentation examples. You can segment by demographic data like age or location, firmographic data such as industry or company size, behavioral signals like past purchases or web visits, and even psychographic data like user interests. In 2025, segmentation is smarter than ever. Dynamic segments update in real time, meaning users automatically shift between groups as they take action. AI-driven segmentation goes even further by predicting behavior and creating microgroups based on subtle patterns. Now let's talk about dynamic content. This means personalizing parts of an email within a single campaign. Instead of building 10 different emails, you build one and swap out sections based on recipient data. Examples include personalized product recommendations, localized content like store info or weather updates, and dynamic elements such as countdown timers or greetings. One fashion brand, Ted Baker, dynamically shows each user their most viewed products. How do you do this? Most email platforms let you create dynamic blocks using merge tags or conditional logic. For example, you might say, if gender equals female, show block A. You can even use AMP to pull in live content. To make dynamic content work, you need the right data. CRM or customer data platforms feed into your email tool. Use preference centers to collect subscriber info, and make sure your systems are connected. Best practices: start small. Keep segments manageable and rules clear. Don't go overboard with conditions, and always preview each version using sample subscriber profiles. Broken layouts kill engagement. Track your results. Monitor how different segments respond. Run A/B tests to see if dynamic content really outperforms static designs. You need proof before scaling. To wrap up, segmentation defines who gets what. Dynamic content customizes what each group sees. When combined, this creates true personalization at scale. Clean data, smart planning, and testing are your keys to success.